In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in a call in Slack. Screen sharing is a valuable tool when working collaboratively, as it helps streamline processes and ensures everyone is on the same page. To get started, you'll first need access to the Slack application either through your desktop or browser. Make sure you are signed in with the account tied to your organization. First things first, you want to navigate from the home page to the specific channel where you plan to initiate the call. If you're not already on the home page, you can easily access it by selecting the Slack workspace icon. From there, browse through the list of channels on the left sidebar until you find the one you'd like to use. After clicking on the channel, you'll see all the current conversations and posts related to that group. Once inside the appropriate channel, the next step is to start a huddle. Slack huddles are a quick and seamless way to engage with your team or co-workers in real time. You can initiate a huddle by clicking on the small headphone icon located typically at the bottom of your Slack workspace. This starts an audio session where team members can join. Remember, huddles aren't video calls by default, but they do provide the option to screen share, which is precisely what we will do next. Now, with the huddle live, you need to navigate to the screen sharing options. This can be found on the huddle interface, often appearing as a monitor icon. Click on this icon to expand the screen sharing options. At this point, your computer may prompt you to confirm that you want to share your screen depending on your system settings or browser permissions. The next step involves choosing exactly what you want to share. You'll be presented with several options, including sharing a specific application window or your entire screen. Carefully select the option that best suits your needs. If you're sharing a presentation, it might be most effective to choose just the application window for presentation software. However, if you need to switch between applications quickly, sharing the entire screen could be the way to go. After making your selection, click OK. Ensure that you are aware of any sensitive information that might be visible on your screen before you begin sharing. Finally, should you decide not to proceed with sharing at any point, there's always an option to cancel. Simply click cancel to return to your call without sharing anything. And there you have it, your screen is now being shared, enhancing collaboration and communication significantly. Screen sharing in Slack is fairly straightforward once you get the hang of it, and can greatly enhance collaborative work, allowing for better communication and more efficient meetings. Thank you for joining this tutorial on screen sharing in Slack.